Today we are doing a retrofit for this E-Class W213 in Brussels in Belgium. Yeah. Today we are going to do these works. The air balancing system, including the perfume, and yeah, it will be installed inside the glove compartment, and the ionizer. Yeah. And also we will do the multicolor ambient light. Yeah, and also the 3D tweeters, and also the garage opener with a new mirror, right? You see 3 buttons, and also this coupe front dash panel with the ambient lights. Also the advanced linguatronic, which can control the ambient lights, etc. Right? Okay. So, and yeah, the roof speaker over here. Yeah, these are aircon, the new aircon panels, aircon vents. This is the rear roof speakers, and this is the new steering wheel without this switch, because the button goes to here. The cruise control button goes to here. The new brake and accelerator pad. This is his old steering wheel removed. This is old column switch and new column switch, and this is the new steering wheel with the see, very nice AMG, and on top we have a black ring, right? Okay, this is the new cruise control, will be over on the left side. Okay, this is the new front panel. Yeah, the old one put inside already. Yeah, this is the old lights, okay, without buttons. This is the old pad, brake pad, and the accelerator pad. And also we will install some, yeah, like this. This is the old one. I'll be mounting over there. The old one. This is the new one with the chrome line. Yeah, looks nice, very beautiful. Yeah, okay. And also we will install this guy. Yes, we have successfully retrofit, get the work done. Almost done now. Yeah, you can see from here the tweeter is rotating up. If we mute the sound, you see the tweeter will rotating in. Yeah, we're still with the lights on. Yeah, the lights is multi-color now. You see different colors, right? Over there. Although it's in the daytime, but the color is still beautiful. Okay, and we can also choose the monocolor if you want. Yeah, you see all the lights still keep the same blue color, right? All blue over there. Yeah, done. Yeah, rear door also. Yeah, over here. In the night it's really beautiful, and the new aircon vent looks like this. Feels very nice. Okay, air turbine, yeah, like this. Close, on, close, open. Yeah. You can rotate by yours like this. So easy. Yeah, all the directions. So you weren't facing any. I want here. Cannot. No, everything. Every angle is included. Okay, and this is one thing. Second thing is our newly installed air freshener, yeah, and the ionizer. If you turn on the air freshener, you will see high, medium, low, or off, right? Okay, the ionizer you can on and off. Okay, where is the air freshener? It's over here. Okay, you can see the bottom of the air freshener. Okay, the tube is on below here, so you will smell the perfume. Very nice. You can take out the bottle. Okay, the bottle is like this. No? The perfume is inside, and this bottle is very special one. Yeah, it's a magnet, so you won't be worried about when you are driving. The bottle will moving. It's fixed once the glove compartment is closed. Okay, one more thing I can show you this the new voice control. Ionizer off.
Ionization off.
Yeah, like this, which was not available in those old models. Yeah, this is old model car, but we have upgraded it to the he can understand the voice command to control some car functions like the ambient lights. Let's try. Ambient light blue.
Ambient light blue.
Oh, it was blue. Ambient light red.
Ambient light red.
Yeah, see, going to red. Okay. Ambient light yellow.
Ambient light yellow.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's in yellow color. Good. Yeah. The 3D tweeter. We see how it goes out. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, the other side. Mute. Go in. Can you see clearly? Yeah. Nice. Yeah, we also installed the roof speaker over here. Yeah, two effects speakers. Okay, and also the rear one. Yeah, we are mounting. Now this is the Bursa in diamond grill being installed. Right over here. Now you can see the number plates. Yeah, this is a chrome mustache over here, and one like you know, for the aerodynamic. Looks nice, huh? Okay, other side. Okay. Yeah. Look around. Where are we? It's very cold today.